Hi, this is Don at Night Lincoln in Moose Jaw. Just here to show you our awesome 2016 Lincoln MKC Select. It's the all-wheel drive with the 2-litre twin turbocharged engine paired with the 6-speed automatic gearbox. As you can see, the exterior color is a beautiful Luxe metallic. The interior, which I'll show you in a minute, has got the ebony black leather interior. Now your side mirrors, as you can see over here, do have the signals integrated into them, and they are also auto power folding. There you can see that beautiful ebony black leather. The front seats are heated and powered. Your steering wheel is also heated, and then you've got 3 driver memory settings, which will include your mirror settings as well as your seat settings. Now this vehicle does come with the Select Plus package, so you're going to get your navigation and your blind spot information included. So your navigation will show on that nice big 8-inch display, and your blind spot information system is included in your side mirrors, as you can see over there. The accent color to that ebony leather is the Sonata spin aluminum, as you can see around the dash, on the steering wheel just over there, and also on the door panels. Now you do also have the large 8-inch screen there, which does include your navigation as well as your reverse camera view. You've also got a universal garage door opener just on the visor over there, and you've got this nice big panoramic Vista moonroof. On your steering wheel you've got your setting controls on the left hand side, just over there, your cruise control settings, as well as your hand-free settings and some more vehicle settings just on the right. And we'll just come around to the back. Plenty of the room in the back. Those back seats also do recline. With the MKC you do get that beautiful clamshell tailgate, as you can see over there. LED tail lights included, and as you can see there's your reverse camera just built into the tailgate. Plenty of room in the back. You can just close the tailgate, push of a button. Now, the tailgate can also be operated from the key fob, and the key fob does also include your remote start, as you can see there. If you're looking for this vehicle online, please look for stock number L6409. And this is my colleague Adam. Hi Adam. Bye Adam. Thanks for watching.